Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a stunning List UI component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a beautiful and functional list component just like the one you see on the screen now. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a container for our list. We'll use a div with padding, a light gray background, rounded corners, and a shadow to give it some depth. Inside, we'll have an unordered list with some vertical spacing between items. Our first list item will have a white background, rounded corners, and a shadow. We'll also add some padding and use Flexbox to align the content. Finally, we'll add a span for the list item text and style it with a larger font size and a bold font weight. Next, we'll add a second list item. We'll duplicate the first list item and change the text to list item 2. Notice how the vertical spacing between items is maintained due to the Space Y2 class. To add some separation between our list items, we'll apply a bottom border to each item using the Border B class. This gives a subtle visual distinction between the items. Let's make our list items interactive by adding a hover effect. We'll use the hover Gray 200 class to change the background color of each item when the user hovers over it. To enhance our list items, let's add an image next to each item. We'll use the placehold.coapi to generate a placeholder image. The images will be circular and aligned to the left of the text. We'll use margin right to create some space between the image and the text. Finally, let's add a details label to the right of each list item. We'll use Flexbox to push the label to the far right by applying a margin left auto to the label. The label will be styled with a smaller font size and a gray color to make it less prominent. And there you have it. We've successfully created a beautiful List UI component using Tailwind CSS. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try experimenting with different styles and layouts. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching Tailwind.